So hello everybody, I'm Laura from Club Soda. We're the Mindful Drinking Movement. I'm here in our alcohol-free off licence and I'm going to make you a cocktail to celebrate with. I thought it'd be useful to find a cocktail that was easy to make. Everyone loves the Pimm's at summer. So what we're making today is a summer cup, and it's got 3 simple ingredients that you use in equal measure, which means it's really easy to make in a glass like this, or to make a whole jug for your friends for a party. So you'll need 3 ingredients. The first is a kombucha. Now you can buy kombucha in all sorts of places. We've got LA kombucha here, which is a lovely hoppy kombucha. This is remedy kombucha from a supermarket, and I'm using today genie kombucha, which has got a nice citrusy flavour. So anything with ginger, citrus, all of those sorts of things would be fantastic. Then you need a pale ale. An alcohol-free pale ale, of course. So we've got Smashed from Drinks here, which is a pale ale. You can find Punk AF in the supermarket. There's lots of different sort of IPA or pale ale type beers there. And then you need a soda. So we've got some Square Root soda here. We've got their Citrus Crush, so a nice fruity soda. But again, you'll find all sorts of sodas in the supermarket, like Fentimans, or even a rhubarb soda or something similar, or even like Karma here, which is an orangeade. So we're going to make this. Now, I'm not an expert at cocktails, so this may be why I've picked this one to make with you. So we're going to start first of all by layering this into a glass. So this doesn't need a shaker or anything, nothing complicated, but you can start with a little bit of mint. Now, what I've learned, and which is a really exciting find for me, is that if you slap your mint, it releases the natural oils and extra aroma, and you can really smell it when you do that. So I'm going to put that in the bottom of the glass. I'm going to add some ice cubes to begin to chill down the drinks, and then I'm going to add 75 mils of kombucha. So that works for this size glass. But if you have got a bigger jug, you just need to scale up this recipe, or even a smaller glass, you can go down to a 50 ml, which is one of those in a jigger. And then we're going to add a little bit of fruit, a little bit of cucumber and a little bit of fruit to garnish it. So do go, when you go shopping, to pick up some nice fruit in the supermarket. So adding in some fruit there. I'm not very pretty at this, but you know, you can do your own thing. A little bit of fruit. Then I'm going to add a little bit more ice to build up this drink. And then I'm going to add in the same again, 75 mils of pale ale, which in this case is both sides of this jigger. So again, you see we're building up this nice drink. It looks beautiful. I'm going to add in a little bit of extra mint here. You know, and if you can imagine doing this in a big jug, you can put lots of mint, lots of fruit, lots of bits of cucumber in to give it a nice fresh feel. Some more ice to keep it chilled. Get it in there. And then we can add in 75 mils of our soda. In this case, it's a Square Root Citrus Crush. And there you'll see we've got a really lovely drink. I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir with a spoon to release some of those oils, mix up the fruit a bit, and then add some more ice. Ice keeps your drink chilled and also helps release the flavours. And then I'm going to add another piece of cucumber here, a nice bit of strawberry. I remember what that fruit's called. A nice bit of orange, and then a final bit of mint, which I'm going to slap again because I really love doing that. And there we go. What you've got here is an absolutely wonderful summer punch, summer cup, which you can make for a party, or you can just drink at home alone.